In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to synchronize on Soundation. If you've ever wished your music sessions felt like a live, shared document where everyone sees changes instantly, this is exactly what Soundation's Collab Live delivers. It keeps your project in sync across all collaborators in real time, so you can create together without sending files back and forth or worrying about version control. First, open a project in the Soundation Studio. You can start fresh with a new project or open one you've already been working on. Give it a clear name so everyone knows they're in the right place. A stable internet connection helps keep edits smooth, and a modern browser ensures the studio runs at its best. Next, head to the top right corner of the studio and click the Share button. This is your hub for collaboration. You'll see options related to inviting people and managing who has access to the project. Think of it as the control room for your session. Now invite your collaborators by entering their email or their Soundation username. Double-check spelling to make sure the invitation reaches the right person. You can decide who can edit and who should just view depending on your workflow. Once your invites are sent, your teammates will join the project from their own accounts and you'll be ready to work together. As soon as they're in, synchronization is automatic. Every movement, edit, and addition appears across everyone's screens instantly. If a collaborator trims a region, adds a loop, or adjusts a volume fader, you'll see it happen in real time. You can even watch the playhead move as someone presses play or loops a section, which makes discussing timing and structure incredibly easy. If two people reach for the same clip at the same time, just communicate and take turns. The system keeps everything live and up to date, and you can always undo your last action if you need to revert a change. A few tips will make your session feel seamless. Use clear track names so collaborators can quickly find parts. Headphones help avoid feedback while monitoring. Set a short count-in or agree on a looped section before recording so everyone stays aligned. If someone seems out of sync, pausing for a moment helps the session catch up. And remember, since changes are saved to the project in the cloud, you don't need to export or resend files to keep everyone current. That's all there is to it. Open or create your project, click Share, invite by email or username, and let Collab Live handle the instant synchronization while you focus on making great music together.